Hi everyone. I wanted to jump on here and talk a little bit about the studio and the updates these next coming weeks. So, if you guys were not aware, the plaza that houses the studio, the Cedar Plaza, has new owners, and they are fixing a whole bunch of stuff. So they're going to be fixing the parking lot so it doesn't flood as bad as it floods. They're going to be fixing the roof. They're going to be tinting the building. So basically the month of August is going to have a lot of repairs done on the plaza, and while they're trying really hard to make sure these repairs do not affect our classes, they're starting the roof repairs next week, and that is going to slightly affect our classes because we have to take the mirrors down. I'm going to be having a company come in, take down the mirrors. If I don't have anywhere to put them, then they're just going to go flat on the floor for now. Obviously, they're going to have stuff on them to protect them, but with the mirrors down, we won't necessarily be able to have a full class because half of the studio is going to be, having the mirrors there. So for the next couple of weeks, classes are really going to kind of be on a day-to-day basis as far as if we're going to have them or not. Raquel is thinking about doing some Zumba classes outdoors, maybe at the lake or at other locations. So if anybody is interested in reaching out to us about that, let me know. We're still going to be able to practice yoga. It's just only going to be limited to so many people, and it's going to be all on one side. So if you have any questions, please just reach out to us. Let us know. I put on the August schedule that it was subject to change because of plaza repairs, and I just want to go ahead and apologize for any inconvenience this causes anybody. Since we might be closed for classes, I am going to extend the teacher discount to halfway through September. So right now we're offering a discount for teachers. The first class is free, and then every class after that is only $5. So those of you guys who are teachers, you're still going to be able to take advantage of that discount in September also, because I don't want these cancellations to get in the way of all that, and I still want you guys to be able to have ample amount of time to actually come to class. As far as tinting the building, they're hoping to do that on a weekend so that it won't affect classes aside from Saturday. But again, I'll keep you guys posted. So really what I want you guys to take away from this video is to go to the group, go to the page, turn on the notifications so that you will get notified when we post updates. If you would rather me text you guys, send me a direct message with your cell phone number, and I will text you on if classes are happening or not. Thank you guys for all of your patience and understanding during this transitional period in the plaza or in the studio, and we really hope that all of these additions make it to where it's just a way more pleasant experience for everybody. So if you have any questions, please reach out to Raquel or myself. Share this video, and I hope to see you guys in class tonight.